Iota Cancri. Iota Cancri, ICNC. A Cancri is a double star in the constellation Cancer, approximately 300 light-years from Earth. The two stars of I Cancri are separated by 30 arcseconds, changing only slowly. Although no orbit has been derived, the two stars show a large common proper motion and are assumed to be gravitationally related. The brighter star, I Cancri A, is a yellow G-type giant with an apparent magnitude of plus 4.2. It is a mild barium star, thought to be formed by mass transfer of enriched material from an asymptotic giant branch star onto a less evolved companion. No such donor has been detected in the I Cancri system, but it is assumed that there is an unseen white dwarf. The fainter of the two stars, I Cancri B, is a white type main sequence dwarf with an apparent magnitude of plus 6.57. It is a shell star, surrounded by material expelled by its rapid rotation. References